So, question number 29. What are the characteristics of a surfactuary mortgage? Can a surfactuary mortgage sue for the mortgage amount? So, we'll discuss first the characteristics, and as such the characteristics of a subsidiary mortgage is possession, rents and profit, and the third one, no personal liability. So as such, regarding the first one, we would like to discuss possession of the properties delivered to the mortgagee. The essence of transaction as it was held in this important leading case regarding possession Pratap Bahadur Gajadhar in 1902, the Allahabad High Court held that the essence of the transaction is that the mortgagor is bound to put the mortgagee in possession of the property. If the possession is not delivered, the mortgagee may sue for possession or for the recovery of the mortgage money as provided under Section 68D of the Property Act. So, in this particular leading case also, Allahabad High Court held that the mortgagor covenanted to put the mortgagee in possession of a certain village on a subsequent date and to pay interest at 24% until possession was delivered. So it was held that the mortgage was a subsidiary mortgage. On the other hand, in the leading case Jaswant versus Bittal in 1897, Bombay High Court held that where there was a covenant that mortgagor would pay interest every year, but that if he failed to pay the interest, the mortgagee could take possession and would appropriate the rents and profits towards interest. As it was held that the transaction was a simple mortgage in this important leading case, Jaswant versus Bittal, in 1897 by the Bombay High Court. And now we'll discuss the ruling of another important leading case relating to a surgery, mortgage characteristic position, and the very leading case is Kaur Gopal Chand versus Nanak Chand in 1979. Allahabad High Court held where a surgery mortgage is executed in respect of a lease or other property, and the same is leased out by the mortgagee to the mortgager to secure his interest in the property. It is always open to the mortgagee to sue the mortgager and take possession of the property or to induct some other tenant, as it was held by the Allahabad High Court in 1979 in this important leading case, Kaur Gopal Chand versus Nanak Chand. And now we'll go to the second characteristic, that is regarding rents and profits, where the first one is relating to in lieu of interest and the second one in lieu of principal and the third one in lieu of principal and interest. So, as regarding the rents and profits, the method by which the rents and profits are to be appropriated depends upon the terms of the mortgage deed. The rents and profits or part of the rents and profits may be appropriated in lieu of interest or in lieu of principal or in lieu of principal and interest. In the first case, the mortgagor recovers possession when he pays the principal. In the second case, the mortgagor continues to pay interest and is entitled to recover possession when the rents and profits received by the mortgagee equal to the amount of the principal. In the last case, the mortgagor is not to recover possession until the principal and interest are paid out of the rents and profits. And now we'll go to the third characteristic, and that is no personal liability. And in that connection, we would like to discuss the rulings of important leading case as Atmaram versus Suryan in 1928. The Lahore High Court held that the mortgagor cannot be sued personally for the debt. The mortgagee is only entitled to remain in possession of the mortgage property till the principal and interest are defrayed according to the terms of the agreement as it was held in this leading case, Atmaram versus Suryan in 1928 by the Lahore High Court. And in the second leading case, Ram Narayan Singh versus Abhindra Nath, it was held that since a subsidiary mortgagee is entitled to remain in possession until the debt is paid off, no time limit can be fixed expressly during which the mortgage is to be subsidized. So, in that connection, also we'll discuss some other important leading case, and that is the important leading case Lower Singh versus Punjab state in 1971, where the Punjab High Court held that where a mortgage is created by a landowner, he transfer an interest in the land concerned. In case the mortgage is with possession, then the landowner not only transfer an interest in the movable property but also transfer possession thereof. Obviously, when this mortgage is redeemed, the mortgagor must necessarily take back the interest which he had earlier transferred, and the should amount to re-transfer to him, so that acquisition by him would be a transfer to him as it was pronounced in this important leading case by the Punjab High Court relating to the very characteristics of a usury mortgage and as relating to having no personal liability. So, this would be the correct and appropriate answer as relating to the characteristics of a subsidiary mortgage. And can a subsidiary mortgage issue for the mortgage amount? And in our next upcoming video, we'll discuss question number 30, which is explain fully the rule that a mortgage is one and indivisible. Are there any exception to this rule?